People online are claiming something crazy. They're saying AI-built Shopify stores are making them thousands of dollars every single month, almost passively. Some say, I made millions with dropshipping. Others say, AI literally changed my life. And some people are straight up claiming $500 a day, working from anywhere. One store made $600,000 this month alone. And then comes the most dangerous line of all. Anyone can do this. But here's the real question. Is this actually real? Or is this just another internet lie dressed up as success? So today, I decided to find out myself.
No series. No fake screenshots.
Just real results. The challenge. Today, I'm building a Shopify store using only free AI tools to see if I can actually sell something online. But I set 3 strict rules for myself.
No. Uno.
Only free AI tools. Total budget, under $1.
No. Dos.
Everything done from my laptop. No team.
No shortcuts. No. Tres.
I must finish everything in under 1 hour.
No excuses.
Timer starts now. Step 1. Can AI really build a store? First question. Can AI actually build a real Shopify store? Or is that just marketing hype? After some research, I found a tool called Build Your Store. It claims it can create a fully functional Shopify store with
no inventory, no packing, no shipping headaches.
Orders come in, products get shipped automatically, and you keep the profit. If this works, it's honestly kind of scary. I clicked Build My Free Store, entered my email, password, and moved on. So far, way too easy. Step 2. Choosing a niche, very important. This part matters more than people think. This is not a hobby, it's a business. I looked at multiple options and chose sports and fitness. Why? Because demand is huge. Young people are obsessed with fitness. Running clubs are replacing nightclubs. This niche just made sense. Step 3. AI designs the store. Next, the AI showed me multiple banner designs. I picked ones that appeal to both men and women, and started Shopify's free trial. I intentionally selected, I don't want help, because I wanted to see what AI could really do on its own. At this point, I'm not gonna lie, I was a little nervous. Step 4. Finding winning products, AutoDS. A store is useless without products that sell. So I registered on AutoDS. This tool finds winning products, sets pricing automatically, uploads product images, and even fulfills orders for you. They had a 30-day trial for 99 cents. That was it. Total money spent, $1. No turning back now. Step 5. Store goes live. I removed the Shopify password, and just like that, the store was live. Inside the store were already products like breathing trainers, golf accessories, resistance bands, winter fitness gear. AI had written product descriptions, set up PayPal, created store policies. Honestly, this didn't look like a beginner store at all. Step 6. Making it look legit. One problem though, the default domain looked terrible. So I bought a .store domain. Why? It's made specifically for online stores. It instantly builds trust. After connecting it, the store finally looked professional. Step 7. Marketing, the smart way. Now the big question. How do you get traffic without burning money on ads?
E-chose micro-influencé.
Because higher engagement, better trust, lower cost. I worked with a small fitness page called Gray Brothers. They posted a short, funny video and dropped my store link in their Instagram story. And then we waited 24 hours later. The results. I opened Shopify the next day, and my heart was honestly beating fast. 12 products sold. 2 were test purchases from me, but 10 were real customers. Revenue, $170 plus. After costs. Profit, $80. The real truth. $80 might not sound crazy, But remember this: AI tools. $1 setup. No experience. 1 influencer promotion. Now imagine 10 winning products, 20 influencers, consistent traffic. This can easily turn into thousands per month. If you want me to scale this store to the next level, hit the like button, thumbs up. And if you actually want to learn how to make money online the smart way, subscribe bell, because the next video is going to be even more dangerous. See you there, waving hand.